Hey kids, good morning. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine and spending quality time with your family. I am your Neha ma'am and today we are going to revise alphabet Q to U. Are you ready to revise? Yes. Let's start our session. This is alphabet Q. Mama Q, capital Q. Baby Q, small q. The sound of Q is Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for Q. Q for question mark. Q for quarter. Q for quiet. Q for quilt. This is alphabet R. Mama R, capital R. Baby R, small r. The sound of R is R. R for radio. R for rainbow. R for radish. R for rose. R for rice. R for ruler. R for rope. R for rabbit. R for ring. R for raincoat. R for rat. R for rocket. R for robot. R for refrigerator. R for ribbon. R for rug. R for rhinoceros. This is alphabet S. Mama S, capital S. Baby S, small s. The sound of S is S. S for sandwich. S for soap. S for scooter. S for snail. S for stamp. S for spoon. S for sun. S for shell. S for squirrel. S for sheep. S for snake. S for swan. S for sofa. S for shirt. S for shoes. S for sunflower. S for sheep. S for seal. S for socks. S for sweater. S for stomach. S for strawberry. S for spider. This is alphabet T. Mama T, capital T. Baby T, small t. The sound of T is T. T for table. T for tap. T for tire. T for teapot. T for tie. T for telephone. T for tub. T for towel. T for tiger. T for teeth. T for tomato. T for toaster. T for top. T for train. T for tractor. T for tent. T for truck. T for television. T for tongue. T for tree. T for turtle. This is alphabet U. Mama U, capital U. Baby U, small u. The sound of U is A and U. U for umbrella. U for up. U for on. U for UFO. U for utensils. U for umpire. U for unicycle. U for unicorn. U for uniform. U for U-turn. Hope you all have revised alphabet Q, R, S, T and U nicely with me. Now I will give you the worksheets for your practice work. This is your first worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to match the correct alphabet to the given picture. बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट में एक तरफ अल्फ़ाबेट दिए हैं Q to U एंड दूसरी तरफ उसके रिलेटेड पिक्चर्स दिए हैं. आपको हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट को उसके रिलेटेड पिक्चर के साथ मैच करना है. यू कैन डू दिस वर्कशीट इन योर इंग्लिश वर्कबुक ऑन पेज नंबर 29. This is your second worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to match the correct alphabet to the given picture. वर्कशीट में एक तरफ अल्फ़ाबेट दिए हैं एंड दूसरी तरफ उसके रिलेटेड पिक्चर दिए हैं. आपको हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट को उसके रिलेटेड पिक्चर के साथ मैच करना है. बच्चों, ये वर्कशीट आप अपने इंग्लिश वर्कबुक के पेज नंबर 31 पे कर सकते हो. So kids, that's all for now. See you in the next session. Take care. Goodbye.